think DSU is one of those university which gives me that platform. The courses are updated. It's not something that we see in a typical law college, right? That you just go by the text. The practical experience that the teachers bring to the table and tailor-knit it with the kind of a 3 years program how it is the beauty of this course.
The internship at law firm they have been providing us with many opportunities. Me being an internship coordinator at the first semester, in the first year of my school of law, we have been able to gain communication skills and how to communicate with the outer world, how to communicate with the advocates, the advocates, and connect us with different NGOs, law firms, corporate sectors.
You're collaborative in academic wise as well as my personal growth. I would say that we have increased in communication skills a really lot, and also we have got life experiences here. We have our mood courts and others, so we get to know how it works.
Some of the faculties who are experienced lawyers who have been in the profession of teaching for close to 20 years. So that kind of an experience they bring on the table. And when they get that kind of an experience, again, law is not a theory. Law is always a practical subject. So you need to understand it better.
Basically, the main resource available is a library. You have to give a visit to it. It's really incredible, and there's all types of books that you need there. And also we have online resources like SCC online and AIN online, which helps us with assignments and exams.
There is a sentence which are intense. Law in text, law in context, and law in courtroom are 3 different things. And law in text, every university provides us. But law in context and the experience which we need in law, like moot court experiences, internship, be it legal aid, all of those things we have been provided in this 1 year of college life.